Gentlemen, let's not sugarcoat it. That frustrating sense of weakness, that slow loss of response down there. It's not just aging, it's a message from your body. And if you're over 60, this message is urgent. I'm Dr. Catherine Rockra. I've spent 20 plus years helping men reverse symptoms they thought were inevitable. The truth, your body hasn't given up on you. It's waiting for the right tools to come back to life. In this video, you'll discover 3 powerful plant-based foods that work together to restore blood flow, energy, and intimacy without pills, without surgeries, and without shame. These aren't fads. They're scientifically validated, deeply nourishing, and shockingly effective. One of them works so fast, many men report changes within a week. If you're ready to reclaim your confidence, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's start with something simple, chickpeas. These humble legumes are rich in L-arginine, the amino acid your body uses to produce nitric oxide. Unlike synthetic drugs that force blood flow, chickpeas rebuild your ability to create blood flow. Think of them as the switch your body needs to start producing nitric oxide again. Most men blame aging, but the real culprit is poor circulation caused by declining nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for telling your blood vessels to relax and open up. After 60, your nitric oxide levels drop up to 75%. The result? Your smallest blood vessels, including the ones that matter most in intimacy, begin to collapse. Weakness, sluggish response, lack of stamina. These aren't psychological, they're biological. But here's the good news, you can reverse it naturally. Clinical insight. Diets high in legumes, especially chickpeas, are associated with lower rates of erectile dysfunction and cardiovascular issues. One study showed that men who consumed legumes regularly had significantly higher nitric oxide markers in their blood. How to use. Start with 1/2 to 1 cup of cooked chickpeas per day. Use them in salads, hummus, soups, or even roasted as a snack. They're not just for your heart, they're for your performance. While chickpeas rebuild the system, beetroot juice activates it fast. It works through a different pathway, the nitrate to nitric oxide route, which doesn't even require oxygen to function. That means even if your system is sluggish, beet juice still gets through. Case story. I had a 67-year-old patient, a former engineer. He was skeptical, but we added 140 milliliters of beet juice daily before exercise or intimacy. Within 2 weeks, his energy surged. By week 3, his confidence returned. His wife noticed, and so did his labs. Best practice. Drink 5 ounces, about 140 milliliters, 2 to 3 hours before any physical activity. Just know, red urine is normal, that's bacteria, and it's harmless. Caution. Avoid beetroot if you're prone to kidney stones or on nitrate meds, and talk to your doctor if unsure. The third food? Pistachios. The secret weapon no one talks about. They're loaded with L-arginine, antioxidants, plant sterols, and heart-healthy fats. That combination doesn't just boost nitric oxide production, it protects it from breaking down. Clinical insight. In one clinical trial, men who consumed about 100 grams of pistachios daily for 3 weeks showed measurable improvements in erectile function and blood flow markers. Their cholesterol dropped, their energy improved, and their performance returned. How to use. Go for 30 to 60 grams daily. That's about 1 handful, twice a day. Choose unsalted, dry roasted versions and shell them yourself. It slows you down and supports mindful eating. Each food is powerful on its own, but when you combine them, That's where the magic happens. This is called nutritional synergy. Chickpeas build nitric oxide production. Beetroot juice activates it fast. Pistachios keep it flowing and prevent breakdown. The daily routine. Morning. Eat 1 per 2 cup of chickpeas with breakfast. Mid-morning. 5 ounces beet juice 2 to 3 hours before activity. Afternoon snack. A handful of pistachios. Consistency is key. Stick with this for 2 to 3 weeks, and the results will start to show, not just in blood flow, but in energy, confidence, and connection. This isn't just about function. It's about freedom. The freedom to feel strong, connected, alive. You don't need pills to reclaim your vitality. You need knowledge, consistency, and the right fuel. Chickpeas, beetroot juice, pistachios. 3 simple foods, 1 powerful outcome. If this helped you, hit that like button. Comment a thumbs if you're going to try this, or yes if you already have. And subscribe for more science-backed health tools designed for men. You deserve to feel great again. And this is just the beginning.